Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make a Gmail without phone number. First, use your phone, go to Gmail and then click on the profile. Add another account, click on Google. Wait for it to load up. Click on create account for my personal use. Input your first name and last name. After you enter it, click on next. Here, enter your birth date and gender. Next. Now, create your Gmail. Create one that is very unique but easy to remember. And then for password, create a very strong one so Google won't suspect you as a robot. You can review your account. Next, scroll down and I agree. Wait for it to load up. And there you go. You have your Google account without using your mobile number.